Good afternoon everybody and welcome to Kingsbridge Automotive. Fresh bit of stock for you. I'm very excited about this as well. Great time of year for a convertible. Not today unfortunately, but it is a great car for this time of year. A two owner, incredibly low mileage, only sub 7,000 mile Porsche Boxster in Crayon, which arguably is the most popular colour. It's got the 20-inch Carrera S alloys. They've painted the brake calipers yellow just purely for a little bit of contrast. Huge spec, included heated steering wheel, sports exhaust, and more importantly than anything, the sports chrono system. Full service history. The car is like brand new. She's on a 70 plate, so she's nearly 6 years old. She doesn't look it at all. Front sensors, rear camera, light design pack, folding mirrors. It's got the PDLS system, Porsche Dynamic Lighting System. These cars tend to get quite heavily stone chipped at the front, but obviously with the mileage of this car, it's an incredibly clean car. No marks on any of the wheels. It's also got the Crayon interior. Extended leather pack. Like I mentioned there, electric folding mirrors. It's got the upgraded BOSE sound system. Rear camera, heated seats. Porsche Crest embossed into the headrests. Obviously your wind deflector. Here at Kingsbridge we can offer you finance, we can offer you paint protection films, we also do ceramic coatings, just to ensure that lovely low mileage examples like this one can stay looking fresh, can stay looking clean for as long as is possible. Give us a call, we can get you a finance quote. We can look at taking the part exchange. Everything to us has a value, we bring anything in part exchanges. Give us a call, arrange an appointment. Let's see if you can get into this for the rest of the summer.